Today I'm going to show you how to make a Cuban coffee. For Cubans, our coffee is very important. We drink coffee in the morning, taking the breakfast, in the afternoon, with the lunch, and sometimes after dinner too. We can drink coffee all the time, doesn't matter the moment. It's also important to know that Cuba produces coffee with high quality. Call it Cubita. That means Little Cuba. For make the Cuban coffee, you need a greca. The greca have three important pieces: cup, filter, and base. The ingredients are water, espresso coffee, and sugar. You can use the brown or white sugar. I prefer the brown one. The first step is to fill the base with water. The second is put the coffee on the filters. Close the greca and put it on the stove. Put the temperature high and wait. Meanwhile the coffee is ready, you take an aluminum jar and add 2 tablespoons of sugar. Take the first drop of coffee, mix it with sugar until make it cream. With a cream like this, the coffee is ready. Put the cream on the coffee cup, add coffee, drink and enjoy your Cuban coffee. I'm happy to have done this video for you. I hope you make this at home. See you on the next video.